Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today's video with this big chop transformation. She has some long, beautiful hair. The stylist chops it right off and does this really cute pixie style. I am absolutely loving this makeover. This pixie has so much volume and height to it. And then we hop on to transformation number 2. She's also doing a big chop into a pixie. So one of the hottest haircut trends that we are continuing to see on the rise is definitely the look of layers. I really like this cut here. I think that it frames the client's face perfectly. And of course, she has one of my personal favorite color trends, and that includes the look of copper. Her hair has so much body and movement. I think the cut combined with the color is just an award-winning combination. So beautiful. Next up, we have another hair transformation. So she has some grown out color here. Stylist mixes in some color. That is a lot of foil. So there is the before and there is the after. Beautiful blonde. Wow. Her hair looks absolutely radiant. Next up, we have someone who has a pixie. Looks like she's getting a cut refresh here as well. Getting some color added. Oh, she's getting her makeup done. Very nice. I love it when women can go to the shop and get a full-on makeover, hair, makeup. She looks gorgeous. Next up, we have another bob haircut style. Bobs are always a nice classic go-to look that you can do any season. And the look is, of course, particularly popular during the fall. So the stylist is doing some bangs here. So he did a very cute layered bob because of the bangs in the front. This is like very 90s. Even her outfit just screams 90s to me. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these gorgeous hairstyles today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.